So in case you're wondering where the microphone is located on the Beats Solo 4, it's pretty simple. So on the Beats Solo 4, the microphone is located on the left ear cup. So this is the left ear cup. So the left ear cup has a charger port, has a headphone jack, and you can locate the microphone just beneath this surface. So on this surface, just you can see the microphone. So there's one here next to the light. Sorry, let me show you. So there's one here. This is the microphone just next to the light, and then there's another one on this end side. Here it is, and there you go. So that's where the microphone, or rather the microphones, are located on your Beats Solo 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.